Do I ever scare myself on track? I scare myself on track all the time. If you're not pushing yourself and scaring yourself, you're just wasting your time. A lot of people think, hey, let's take it easy, let's warm up. We don't. We're not here to play games, we're here to win. I see baby Jesus in turn 1 all the time. My name is Luie Zendejas, a 24-year Special Operations combat veteran, and currently I'm a Pro-Am superbike racer. So about 15 years into the military, I was approached by some people to actually try to do a novice race. They convinced me, I started the race. I ended up getting 2nd place. So I entered the rest of the races that afternoon and I ended up winning them all. The next round was up in Summit Point, West Virginia. So I decided to go up there and just check it out and see if it was a fluke or something that I had. I ended up basically winning 3 championships. So it just kind of snowballed from there. Some of the special skills that you learn in the military translate into riding these motorcycles. For example, flying a canopy, military parachuting. The amount of input that you have to give can be very small and can be a great movement, but knowing how much input to give it for whatever reaction you want it to do, those are the kind of small motor skills that you use when you're riding these motorcycles. Well, there's not a lot of things I'm afraid of, but I would be afraid to be hurt and not be able to physically do the things that I love to do. Ironically, I do one of the most dangerous sports I think that you could ever do that could leave you paralyzed. Well, there's that saying, you know, you gotta die living.